I met Maureen the very first year that Father John and I started Spirit Earth. She came to our very first class, which was the Canticle to the Cosmos. She was young. I mean, we all were young. But she was just so on fire with the discovery and the wonder and awe of what it means to be a human being on this journey with the universe. At the time, she was teaching in the southern part of Boston, and so she started working with her own kids and taking them to a place where they could see grass and touch it and learn about, all they had was concrete. And then she decided to change her major, and so she did education and the new cosmology. And she has been working with it ever since. Her programs are great. She uses images, she uses stories, she gets people engaged with the subject matter. Having someone who's really intentionally and consciously living that story all the time is a real blessing to be with her.